Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today is the 31st of January, 2022. In this video, I want to quickly talk to you guys about what's happening on the charts for Atom, aka Cosmos. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about what I'm seeing in the charts right now, as well as where I think things might be going in the short to near future. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Not only are you helping me grow here on YouTube when you do subscribe, but you could also possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or MSI 2060 GPU, because I'm giving away both of those prizes to 2 lucky individuals once we hit 1,000 subscribers. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world. If you have a shippable address and you're one of those lucky winners, I will ship it to you absolutely free. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do the entire Cosmos ecosystem a favor, because the more people that see these videos, the more exposure Cosmos gets as a whole. So again, guys, that's kind of like a win-win. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys. Let's go ahead and jump on into the charts right now. Again, we're looking at things on a daily time frame. I'm still using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool. I just want to throw something out there real quick, guys. If I seem out of it, it's because I had a really rough weekend. I didn't have COVID or anything like that, but I had something come down on me really quickly over the last couple of days, and I've just been kind of fighting my way through everything right now. So I don't feel 100%, and on top of that, I also have a cracked rib from practicing jiu-jitsu. So I've been having a pretty rough weekend. Bear with me though. I'm still going to push through this and give you guys my thoughts about what I'm seeing right now in the markets, guys. We're actually seeing a pretty good push back to the upside. Again, earlier this morning, we came all the way down to about $25.40-ish cents, somewhere around there. And right now we are back up $28.48 at the making of this video. We are trying to engulf this previous daily candle, and that's what I'm looking for today, guys. We still have about 7 hours and 33 minutes left for us to fully engulf. If we can engulf this candle like we did back here, I do think we have a really good chance of us maybe making another push back up, retesting $40. Again, the reason why I say that's not just because what I'm seeing on the charts. If you guys don't know, I've been saying it for some time, but Cosmos has a lot of updates that are going to be coming to the forefront here shortly. And with those updates, with those fundamental changes for the Atom token and for the Cosmos ecosystem, I really do think we're going to be seeing much higher price points here shortly. We just kind of got to wait out the whole crypto volatility that's happening right now. With that being said, though, that is where I'm getting the majority of my opinion. I do think with those fundamental changes that are going to be happening here shortly, we are going to be seeing higher price points, especially for the things in the Cosmos ecosystem. Let me go back into the technicals though that we're seeing on the daily time frame. Like I said, if we can engulf this previous daily candle like we did kind of right here, I do think that we'll get a really good push back up. Right now though, as you guys can see, we are trying to recapture the 200 SMA. The 200 SMA is this yellow line right here on the charts. If I zoom out, you can see that we are just now coming down and retesting that 200 SMA. A lot of other protocols or projects in the space have already broken well through their 200 SMA. We are now just retesting it. And I do think, like I said in my previous video, that more than likely we will do something like this, like we did in the past here. And what I call that is threading, guys. And it's kind of like when we just thread in and out of the 200 SMA, we come down, we come back up. And we could even do that a couple of times like we did back here. We just kind of thread in and out. I don't think we're going to pull away very hard from the 200 SMA. But again, this is crypto. I could be absolutely wrong, especially if geopolitical things actually take a turn for the worse. Absolutely, we could see us going down much further. I did tell you guys in my past video though, even though I'm very bullish, look for this section right here on the charts as a big place to start maybe DCAing. Not financial advice, but if I go back and use past moments when we broke the 200 SMA, when we could not hold the 200 SMA and we broke down below it, what I did here is I took the average moves between all of those breaks below the 200 SMA, and what I've been able to calculate, the average move down once the 200 SMA is broken over the past breaks gives us an average move of about 39.17%. That is literally right here on the charts, guys, right where this upward trend line is and right where we had previous support and or resistance before. Support and or resistance right there is where it lines up. If we see us breaking and pushing away from the 200 SMA, that's where I'm going to start DCAing, because on average, that is where we should be finding some sort of floor. But that's what I have going forward, guys. Right now, if you guys zoom out on the charts on the daily time frame, as you can see, like I said, we're just now retesting the 200 SMA. We're on the upward section of this wedge pattern, if you want to call it that, and everything looks a-okay. I hope this video finds you guys in profits. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, go check out our Twitter feed. We actually have a Juno giveaway happening right now, so definitely go and check that out. But guys, stay blessed, stay in profits. Peace.